First thoughts, I love the way they've come out. Lucas are the right people to do the job. From obviously all the elements that lead up to the spraying in terms of like the protection, the masking, the prepping, the cleaning, and obviously when it comes to the spraying element itself, ensuring that you've got that consistent finish that really kind of brings the kind of the old heritage back to life in regards to a new finish on top of it. Fantastic. I think we had to go through kind of a process, obviously, between Mace, between Wilkinson Air, and obviously Lucas, and kind of review the cabinets, review the condition was, look at kind of the original schedule of defects, and then from that we could judge which cabinets obviously needed to be redecorated. Obviously, certain elements, we had items that were missing. We had to obviously broken glass to identify and replace. And then some cabinets were also suitable just a clean. So you can see that balance there between the fresh spray paint and the original finishes to the cabinets to kind of bring it back to life. You stand here and look, no blemishes, no snags. It's just crisp, clean, perfect finish.